Alright guys, so this is a MEDION television bought in Aldi. In Austria they call themselves Hofer. And this is the second time I'm back from service. I'm trying to switch it on. This is all it does whenever I'm trying to change channels and try to do anything else. Nothing. This is just back from servicing. So basically they are absolutely careless about customer support, and this is actually the third time I'm bringing it back to Aldi, so I'm gonna see what's happening. But this is really not customer service. I definitely do not recommend any MEDION products.